Hello, this is Michael End for Cyber 201 Team 4, and I am presenting deliverable number 1. In this project, we use JavaScript to add real functionality to our website instead of having a static, boring page. Um, and one of the first things we did was added dark mode. So here's light mode. If you click this, it goes to dark mode. JavaScript is what we use for this. It changes the class on the page and switches the colors essentially. Um, We also added buttons to increase and reset text size. So as you can see, we click right here, we increase the text size, and if you click this, it resets it. Pretty cool functional JavaScript code is what we use for that. And another thing we did was made the workshop table interactive. So here's the workshop table, and you can see that it has the phishing basics, password hygiene, MFA, and secure browsing. But if you click this right here, you can filter it out to just one item at a time. MFA and secure browsing. Um, that was done with JavaScript. What we did was we added a function that loops through each table and shows the ones that match. So when you click this, that's how it works. It updates instantly. That way it doesn't have to refresh the page every time, which is kind of cool. We also improved the contact form. So someone types a message in the box, a character count updates, and when the form is submitted, JavaScript checks to see if the name and email are filled in and if the email is valid. And then it displays a confirmation message. So as you can see, Michael End, all the info you do password security. And then as you can see, character count updates in real time, but send message, and then you get this confirmation message, which is nice. And then for number 2, how we included mobile development and accessibility features, we used responsive design layouts. It adjusts automatically for smaller screens. The grid stacks vertically, and the table becomes scrollable, and the buttons become larger so they're easier to tap when you're on a mobile device. Um, we also improved accessibility by making the site easier to navigate, especially for users who rely on a keyboard instead of a mouse. So tab, when we click tab here, you can see it goes through all the boxes, um, which is a nice little feature to add on there. What else for mobile development? We also added features to help the screen readers when things on the page update, like search results in the table or messages after submitting the form, those updates are announced automatically. This ensures the users can't see the screen and still receive important feedback and understanding what's happening on the page. So, like I said, when you type in, you get the automatic characters, and then when you submit the form, you get the confirmation message, which is cool. Um, and I'll show you the code. I'm gonna switch. So here's some of the code. Still a lot of the same stuff from before. Let's see, like where the dark mode is. Here's the dark mode. Here's the code for adding dark mode. Here's the mobile features where it says app media. Um, we also added events. As you can see, add event listener, um, message box, update character count. Let's see. Function, let's say the function. Here's the function. There's a bunch of functions in here. Update character count is valid email, a lot of functions. Um, yeah, website is looking good so far. Not crazy different, but the functionality is cool. Adding the dark mode, increasing text size, and being able to so when you search, that was another one. You can see filters things out. Um, yeah, we use functions to organize the code a lot. It's about 600 lines, but we've been working on it. It's been a good time, good project so far. But yeah, we are going to keep working forward and doing what we need to do. All right.